Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So guys, you're welcome back to today's video. So do you know that in the absence of tomato or tomato paste, you can actually use carrots as your paste to make your stew? Now let me show you how to make carrot paste. Very healthy. It tastes good in your stew. Oh my goodness, carrot stew. Have you done carrot stew before? Let me show you the process of doing the carrot paste and how you can actually store it basically. Alright, so at times where tomato becomes very expensive, carrots will be everywhere. You can actually replace tomato paste with carrot paste. No time. Let me show you. Let's go. So of course, the very first thing you're going to do is to make sure to wash your carrots. So in prepping your carrots, you don't even need to scrape it. You just need to cut it in pieces like this. Just remove the edge. Okay, so you're going to be needing beetroot. So I have half beetroot here because my carrot is not much, so I need just half of the beetroot. So you're going to peel your beetroot. And you're going to also cut the beetroot into pieces just like this. Okay, all right, so you're going to be needing a pot. So you're going to add in a little water to boil. So we're going to boil it. Okay, so it's now time to take it off the fire. Okay guys, so now we'll have to be putting in the carrots and the beetroot inside of our blender. We're going to be scooping just 1 spoon of water inside of it. So here is our carrots paste. See how it's looking like tomato paste? So you can just make your stew with this carrot paste, you guys. Look at that. It's so smooth, so smooth, so smooth, you guys, and it's so red. Look at that. See our carrot paste looking like tomato paste. You can actually make your stew with this carrot paste. If you didn't watch this video, I'm sure you will not know that this is a carrot paste. You'll be thinking it's actually a tomato paste, and it's so smooth. It tastes good. If you use this to make your stew, your husband will be thinking you actually added sugar into the stew. It's so nice. Go try this out, you guys. This is so good, and it tastes so sweet.